Once upon a time, there was a magical forest filled with beautiful flowers and enchanting fragrances. This forest was home to various animals and birds, and its most exquisite feature was the vast trees adorned with flowers of different colors. In this forest stood the magnificent palace of a wise and noble king. He was known far and wide for his wisdom and leadership. One day, the king received distressing news that a peculiar tribe had arrived in his kingdom. This tribe was entirely different. Their customs and behavior were exceedingly strange. They were known as the finger-eating tribe. The finger-eating tribe was an odd and peculiar group who subsisted solely on earthly things like roots and leaves. The king grew worried about the arrival of this tribe. Summoning his advisors, the king sought counsel. They suggested that if the king befriended the finger-eating tribe, they might offer something beneficial to his kingdom. Taking this advice, the king announced his friendship with the finger-eating tribe. The people of the finger-eating tribe accepted the king's friendship, but on the condition that the king produce their favorite food. Agreeing to the condition, the king declared that he would cultivate their favorite food in his royal gardens. The finger-eating tribe's preferred food became a hit among the people, and they eagerly frequented the royal gardens to enjoy it. Through this gesture, the king and the finger-eating tribe forged a bond of friendship and cooperation, bringing prosperity to the kingdom.